Alright, as promised, I am going to do a simulation pen test using only the Hak5 Wi-Fi Pineapple Pager and, of course, my laptop to do the other stuff that YouTube doesn't like certain words to be said. But before we get started, this is my own equipment, and as a disclaimer, only test on your own equipment or other equipment that you have explicit permission to do so. Otherwise, that is extremely illegal, and we don't like that, do we? Anyway, with that out of the way, this will be the Wi-Fi network that we'll be testing. I might have to cut away a few times so I don't dox myself and whatnot, but I'll try to get through this as painless as possible, so let's get started. So as you see, there's my Windows machine. And instead of just targeting it, it's the only thing that's on there, so. It got a handshake. All right, now that I grabbed a handshake, I went to back out of my pager and my real SSID showed up. So instead of editing that out, because I'm not a good editor, I am just going to cut the video. So I'm going to download my handshakes. And I got them over here. Oh, wow. There's a lot here. I guess I didn't. So I already got like some scripts and stuff in this folder to make things move faster on whenever I do this out in the wild. And make sure I didn't dox myself, but I want to show you the handshakes over there. Dox myself there. So I don't know what handshakes I got on this. I thought I deleted everything, so we will wait and see. So just as I thought, I had a couple of my home networks that popped up on here. I forgot to set the scope of this project on my pager, and I basically just run this thing with no filters. So as you see here, it picked up the SSID unknown device, and here's the password for it. So what we're gonna do next is, if it's, try to get this in focus. All right, we're gonna get onto this network. And I think I already got it all preset up, unknown device. And there's the passphrase for it. I'm trying to do this through my phone. It's hard to see. So next thing we're going to do, we're going to run responder. You just see there, it's running. That's my kill switch. So I'm going to let it run for a couple seconds. So it collects the data it needs. kind of simulate, you know, network traffic and whatnot. And I just got another freaking handshake. But I'm almost comfortable with how long it's ran. I want to make sure I don't have to do another take for it. But that should be long enough. Let's go ahead and stop this thing. It's stopping. All right. And now, over to the pager. I'm closing out other windows on the side. Anyway, let's get back into this. All right, so it's hard to see, but there you can see I got an NTLM version 2. So I'm gonna cap that. I'm gonna copy that. And we will paste it in here. This is just a text file of my NTLM v2 hashes. I got another one for just the regular ones. But I'm gonna open this up, and I got little shortcuts here that I got going on. Why am I pasting it like that? I'm pasting it like a noob. All right, so as you see, we got this and this. So that's promising. So the next thing we're gonna wanna run, and sorry, it's all jumping around here. I'm just trying to make the best videos possible. But I'm new at this video making thing. We are going to run SMB Spy. Since we gained access to the network, we ran Responder, and SMB Spy is the companion payload that I wrote for Responder. So now it's going to do its thing. We're on Wi-Fi. Let's just run on Wi-Fi. And it's doing its thing. So it found. All right, cool. All right, I'm gonna come back down here and all right, so let's zoom in here. As you can see, it picked up the Windows machine, and it's got, you know, next steps to do. So we'll go ahead and copy this. It's kind of like a shortcut, and let's paste it in here. And since we already know the username is admin, and the password is admin, and there you go. So that's pretty much it. I mean, the rest of it I'm not going to show, and because everybody doesn't want to see all that boring stuff. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry it was all over the place. I should have planned it better. But as always, thank you for watching. You know what? I'm back. I know I said this was going to be a simulation pen testing video, so what kind of pen testing video would it be if I didn't really show you all the way full to get some loot? So we'll go back to SMB client, and we're going to put in the IP address and one of the share files with the tag capital U for the username. We already know that the username, we already know the password, and we're in. And that's all there is in there right now. It's a test.txt, but we're going to get that. And now that we got it, we're going to exit out of here and cat into it. And it says, if I can zoom in there, subscribe to Hackazillarex on YouTube and TikTok. Thanks for watching.